Just hey guys, do you know what is the name of this net or fishing style? It's different. It's a Bangladeshi style of fishing. Sometimes we call it, it's a ninja technique to fish. It's different. There are two long bamboo with this fishing net. He just control this fishing net. Yeah, locally we call it is bell. There are some fish. I'm going to catch fish using this net, guys. It's ridiculous. It's a craziness to use this net. Although I know how to operate this net, I want to check out and show it to you. Oh, yeah, I already get some fish. Do you see? Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, again I did it. Oh, almost done. Almost done. Long shot. Yeah. Oh, I did it. So guys, I will meet with you in another video. Bye for now.